Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to send your location on Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat, go to friend list, tap on your friend you want to send location to. So I have two accounts in my device. I'll send to myself. So you will see the screen and you can see the snap map on the top, and below this map you can see send my location. So just tap on there and your location will be sent. As you can see, I receive in my other account. Okay, I tried this few times. So as you can see, I tap on it, your friend will tap on it and he will see your location. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can send your location in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.